time is running out to buy Ethereum at vaguely reasonable prices. Look, Ethereum is one of the most unique assets available to investors right now, and slowly but surely people are waking up to the reality of what Ethereum is and what Ethereum represents. Now, as those investors wake up to that reality, the likelihood that Ethereum is, going to stay at these prices falls, and the likelihood that Ethereum is going to go to $20,000 becomes more and more of a reality every single day. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, smash the like button, make sure to catch all of my videos. By the way, if you want to earn a safe and simple passive income on your cryptocurrency, then you have got to get yourself a BlockFi interest account. Now you can earn 5.25% on your Ethereum, 6% on your Bitcoin, 8.6% on USDC dollar coins. And as a special bonus, you'll get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus if you sign up using the link down below in the description. Okay, so let's get into this topic. Now, are you too late to buy Ethereum? No way, Jose. That's the short answer anyway. I mean, you're still relatively early. Now, are you as early as you could be? No, you probably should have been mad stacking Ethereum back when I was screaming about it on like a daily basis. Ethereum, 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 all of 2020, right? But those times are gone. Can't get Ethereum for 200 or 300 bucks anymore. That would be nice, but you can't do it. And that's okay. That's okay because it means the market is maturing. There's still a lot of upside for Ethereum though, even at this, later juncture in the game. I see at least a 10x from here during this bull run. And while I love speculating on those low cap altcoins, Bitcoin and Ethereum offer what are really, to my mind, the most certain potential for gains in the market. But the opportunity to make gains with Ethereum is quickly running out, right? Ethereum has already done a 10x since I bought, the majority of my stack back in the day, and I believe it will do at least another 10x. But the longer anyone who isn't on the ETH train waits to buy, the less the gains potential will be for those getting on the train late. Eventually, Ethereum is going to become, an Apple-like, investment, an absolute monster behemoth worth trillions in terms of a market cap. It's going to have, low price volatility, relatively steady revenue for stakers, equivalent really to the kind of dividends that many of these top tech stocks are paying out, like 1%, less than 1%, something like that. By this point, you'll have pension funds, endowments, hedge funds, retirement accounts, all these things will be packed up with Ethereum. That's how we're going to get to trillions of dollars in value. Just like they're stacked up with top tech stocks. This is where Ethereum is heading. This is the kind of asset that Ethereum is and is quickly becoming in the eyes of many. Ethereum is not just money. It's not just the network fuel, right? Buying Ethereum, it's taking a stake in the future of the internet. It is one of the most innovational interest-bearing assets in the world. And buying Ethereum directly also is like functionally buying an index of the entire cryptocurrency market. So every single major DeFi application, it's built on Ethereum. The majority of the total value locked in DeFi on Ethereum. NFTs on Ethereum. Stablecoins, almost all of them on Ethereum. All the developers, overwhelming majority, building on Ethereum. Innovation, it's all happening on Ethereum, baby. Buying Ethereum, it gives you exposure to all of that stuff. All of it, because all of it requires Ethereum to function and to be used. You need Ether. The more all that stuff grows, the more demand there is for Ethereum. This bull run, it's really different in so many ways. It's so exciting. The bull run of 2017, it was just fueled by speculative mania, really for one very specific use case, ICOs. But what Ethereum is actually becoming is the settlement layer of the freaking internet, man. If you're bullish on the internet, you should be bullish on Ethereum. This is essentially like the best tech stock in the freaking universe, except it's not a stock, it's a native internet asset. Ethereum is powering the financial tools that will completely reshape the way that we, in fact, the way that we even understand finance. What's been happening with DeFi recently is totally nuts, crazy stuff. Nobody could have imagined this stuff a few years ago. Now it's all happening normally on a day-to-day basis, and everything is on the chopping block here. Bonds, stocks, real estate, payments, lending, borrowing, much more things that people aren't even thinking of yet. I mean, there's so many new use cases coming out of the woodworks right now. It's insane. Again, a Cambrian explosion of innovation right now. So it's pretty gosh darn exciting. Yet, most institutions have zero exposure to Ethereum. Now that's changing. They bought 47,000 Ethereum at Grayscale yesterday, so they're definitely getting in. But if you're buying Ethereum today, you're beating almost every major investor and almost every major institution to the punch. There are a few, though, that have been leading the charge, right? So the guys have been out there shouting about it for quite a while as well. We have people like Mike Novogratz and Raoul Pal and, the Winklevoss brothers. These guys are big, big ETH bulls. But we still need a lot of social proofing to get institutions to take the plunge. It took us, a long, long time to convince them to even, dip their toes into Bitcoin, and now they all have Bitcoin mania. Just wait until they figure out what the heck's going on with Ethereum, man. For example, apparently Cathie Wood, she has her eyes on Ethereum right now, according to Chris Berniski, who has been talking with her about Ethereum and about DeFi. Just wait until ARK Invest comes out and says that they're buying Ethereum. Come on, that's going to be crazy. It's going to get a lot of attention for Ether. This is, one of the most innovational investment firms, so it will be big. One thing that's probably keeping a lot of the money from flowing into Ethereum, at least as much as we see into Bitcoin, is that Ethereum is still in the process of a major upgrade. So, you have to keep in mind that if you believe Ethereum will successfully upgrade to ETH 2.0, which I completely believe that they're going to, I don't see why they wouldn't or how it's not going to happen, then you're basically beating most investors who are still kind of waiting on the sidelines to see what happens, right? That being said, 2021 is going to be a massive year for Ethereum. I think we're about to see some serious ETH Fomo kicking in. All these investors are starting to wake up. They're starting to realize just what the heck Ethereum actually is, and that they need to either get some more exposure to it or get any exposure at all to get off of zero. We say the same thing about Bitcoin. You got to get off zero. Same with Ethereum. You got to get off zero. For Ethereum to get to a per coin price of $20,000, that's a 12x gain from here. Not too shabby, to be honest. Now, is that a crazy, crazy hopium number that's never going to happen? Well, guess what the market cap of Apple is? $2.25 trillion, which is almost exactly what a 12x from right now today would be for Ethereum. So it's really not that crazy to think that one of the most innovative assets in the world can't hit that kind of market cap. This is tech investing. Much like with Apple, much like with Tesla, most investors don't understand the value proposition of new technology. They can't look around the corner and see what's actually going to be happening, what's coming, what's the proposition is of this technology, just how high these assets can run in terms of their valuations. This is deeply exciting and disruptive technology. Revolutionary technology is going to completely just put finance right on its head. Don't forget what you're buying when you buy ETH. You're buying all that excitement. Buying Ethereum today, it's like buying Apple or buying Tesla when they had like 1/10 of their current market cap. So people are starting to catch on, but it hasn't gone crazy yet. Anyway, those are just my two gway for the day. Your question: do you think that it's a reasonable comparison to say that Ethereum is like the crypto equivalent of Apple or Tesla? Do you see it kind of in that same area of like mega tech stock kind of thing? Or do you think the comparison's just not there because Ethereum's even cooler? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.